Ho, ho, ho! So hot. Yes, it's week 3 of Jolly in July. I'm Stacy of Stacy Creates Stuff. I am excited to bring to you a recap of week 2 and what Lauren and I are up to in week 3. Last week I started us off on Sewing Project Tuesday with this folded tree napkin. And this super fun project unfurls into a semicircle. I walk you through step by step, so you want to be sure to check out that video. And on Wednesday, Lauren showed us how to make the most adorable paper garlands by our friend Katie of Katie Made. On Thursday, I was back with the gingerbread man, and I made him a little friend. Friday, Lauren showed us how to use pieces of fabric to wrap gifts. It is an economical and ecological friendly way to wrap a present. And this week we have some exciting things planned for you. Lauren will start off Tuesday with a sewing project with a Santa mat that she designed. It's super cute. On Wednesday, I'm going to show us all how to make a paper ornament. You'd be surprised at how easy it is. On Thursday, Lauren returns with some more embroidery projects. And this time she is embroidering on a sweatshirt with the help of a Cricut, but also some handwork with a stick and stitch. And I'll be wrapping up the week with some unique gift ideas featuring some of the things from my very talented artsy friends. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope that you are having as much fun as we are, bringing you all sorts of fun and creative projects that you can do in anticipation for the winter holidays. I'll be back on Wednesday with more Jolly in July. Before then, though, you might just see another video or two as I continue my shop hopping trek of going to many quilt shops as part of the Mid-Atlantic Shop Hop experience. I will also have another quilt tutorial coming out. Until then, stay cool, my friends.